Welcome back. Hello my dear students. In previous lecture we have started the new type, that is derivative of implicit function in exercise 1.3. Today we are going to see the same type, derivative of implicit function, the new type of sum. Okay, I have written one sum here. X raised to 7 into y raised to 5 equal to x plus y raised to 12. Working procedure is same, DAS, differentiate, assign and simplify. Now observe here on LHS, these two functions are in product form. In logarithmic differentiation, we have seen that if the two or more functions are in product form, then apply log both sides. The same thing here we have to do. So taking log on both sides. Taking log on both sides. Log apply both sides. So it becomes log x raised to 7 y raised to 5 equal to log of x plus y raised to 12. First step, apply log. What is the second step? If we apply the log, then shift the power as a coefficient. लॉग अप्लाई करने के बाद आपको पावर शिफ्ट करना है. सो हियर शिफ्ट द पावर. सो दिस बिकम्स log x raised to 7 y raised to 5 equal to 12 log of x plus y. Now here use the rule of logarithm. Which rule is applicable? Log AB. Here a equal to x raised to 7, b equal to y raised to 5. So log ab equal to log a plus log b. Multiplication में है terms, तो log की addition होगी. So this becomes log x raised to 7 plus log y raised to 5 is equal to 12 log x plus y. Now here shift the power as a coefficients, so it becomes 7 log x plus 5 log y is equal to 12 log of x plus y. Okay, now differentiate this with respect to x. Okay, the sum is in exercise 1.3 sub question 4. Okay, 4 में से first. Okay, now differentiate this equation with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. 7 is in multiple of the function log x, so keep 7 outside. And derivative of log x is 1 upon x, so it is 7 upon x plus 5. 5 is in multiple of the function log y, keep 5 outside. Derivative of log y. Derivative of log x is 1 upon x. Therefore, derivative of log y is 1 upon y into derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx is equal to 12 derivative of log x plus y. Which formula is applicable here? Derivative of log fx. fx का value है x plus y. Derivative of log fx is 1 upon fx into f dash x. Simply f dash x upon fx. So this is 12 upon x plus y into dy dx of x plus y. Okay. Now 7 upon x plus 5 upon y into dy by dx is equal to 12 upon x plus y. Now here take the derivative of x plus y. What is the derivative of x? Derivative of x with respect to x is 1. Derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Now outside the bracket there is 12 upon x plus y. So multiply by 12 upon x plus y to each term in the bracket. So it becomes 7 upon x plus 5 upon y into dy by dx is equal to 12 upon x plus y into 1, that is 12 upon x plus y plus 12 upon x plus y into dy by dx. 12 upon x plus y into dy by dx. What is the next step? Collect the terms of dy by dx together on left hand side. dy by dx के terms आप collect कीजिए LHS में. Now this term and this term. These terms containing dy by dx. So here first term is 5 upon y plus this term becomes minus 12 upon x plus y into dy by dx. dy by dx common from these two terms. This positive term becomes negative. If we take LHS is equal to remaining terms 12 upon x plus y. Set this term on right hand side minus 7 upon x. Now here take LCM. Here also take LCM. So this becomes, what is the LCM? LCM is y into x plus y. Now take cross multiplication. 5 into x plus y. 5x plus 5y. Y into minus 12, that is minus 12y into dy by dx is equal to, here also you have to take the LCM. LCM is x plus y into x into x plus y. Here also again take the cross multiplication. X into 12, 12x minus, here is minus sign. Minus 7 into x plus y, cross multiplication. Minus 7 into x plus y, minus 7x, minus sin. Now simplify. We have to find dy by dx. So keep dy by dx as it is and cross multiply it. So dy by dx is equal to this term, where x minus 7x. So write one more step here and then take the cross multiplication. 5x, 5y minus 12y minus 7y, y into x plus y into dy by dx. Okay, we are going to simplify one step. Here 12x minus 7x is 5x minus 7y upon x into x plus y. Okay, now here take the cross multiplication. dy by dx is equal to 5x minus 7y, numerator as it is, divided by denominator x into x plus y, into this denominator goes to the numerator, so it is y into x plus y, divided by this numerator goes to the denominator, 5x minus 7y. Okay, this 5x minus 7y get cancelled, x plus y also get cancelled. So remaining dy by dx is y upon x. Okay, question is said, given sum is here and we have to show that dy by dx is equal to y upon x. We have proved this, dy by dx is equal to y upon x. Any doubt? Any difficulty regarding to this? I think simple procedure, no doubt about it. Now we will take one more sum. Now second one, y equal to sec of, y is equal to sec of x raised to 5 plus y raised to 5 upon x raised to 5 minus y raised to 5 is equal to a square. This function is given. And here also we have to show that dy by dx is y upon x. Equation is given. In implicit function, equation is always given. Okay, working procedure same, differentiate, assign and simplify. Okay, now observe the given sum y equal to sec of x raised to 5 plus y raised to 5 upon x raised to 5 minus y raised to 5 equal to a square. A constant, A square is also constant. First step. Now this sum is sec of, not y is equal to, sec of x raised to 5 plus y raised to 5 upon x raised to 5 minus y raised to 5 equal to a square. हमेशा आदत रहती है डिफरेंशिएशन में y इक्वल टू लेने का, इसलिए गलती से y लिया. So given sum is like this, sec of x raised to 5 plus y raised to 5 upon x raised to 5 minus y raised to 5 equal to a square. And here we have to show that dy by dx is y upon x. Now first step, shift this sec on right hand side. Trigonometric becomes inverse. So this becomes x raised to 5 plus y raised to 5 upon x raised to 5 minus y raised to 5 equal to sec inverse a square. Denominator is 1. A square constant, sec inverse a square is also constant. Now here use component and dividend. योग वियोग क्रिया. By component and dividend. What is component and dividend? In the numerator, numerator plus denominator, and in denominator, numerator minus denominator. This is component and dividend. योग वियोग क्रिया. Okay, x raised to 5 plus y raised to 5. Subtract denominator. It is minus x raised to 5 plus y raised to 5. Sorry, it is plus x raised to 5 minus y raised to 5. In the numerator, numerator plus denominator. In denominator, numerator minus denominator. X raised to 5 plus y raised to 5. Subtract कीजिए, minus x raised to 5 minus plus y raised to 5. Okay, is equal to sec inverse a square plus 1 upon sec inverse a square minus 1. Okay, this term is constant, therefore adding and subtracting the whole term is constant. Okay, now this here y raised to 5 get cancelled, here x raised to 5 get cancelled. X raised to 5 plus x raised to 5, 2x raised to 5. Y raised to 5 plus y raised to 5, 2y raised to 5 is equal to c. C is equal to sec inverse a square plus 1 upon sec inverse a square minus 1. The whole constant term is equal to only here c. C is also constant. Now this 2 get cancelled. X raised to 5 upon y raised to 5 is equal to c. Denote this equation 1. Take cross multiplication. X raised to 5 equal to c into y raised to 5. And now differentiate this equation with respect to x. Differentiate with respect to x. Okay, d by dx of x raised to 5 is equal to d by dx of c y raised to 5. Okay, now what is the derivative of x raised to 5? By using the derivative of x raised to n, that is nx raised to n minus 1, derivative of x raised to 5 is 5x raised to 4 is equal to, now here c is in multiple of the function, c is constant, keep it outside, c into derivative of y raised to 5 by using the same formula x raised to n. So it is 5y raised to 4 into derivative of y with respect to x is dy by dx. Now here substitute the value of c. C is x raised to 5 upon y raised to 5. So 5x raised to 4 is equal to value of c is x raised to 5 upon y raised to 5 into y raised to 4 into dy by dx. Now here on right hand side y raised to 4 get cancelled. 1 y is written here. Therefore required dy by dx is equal to, take this term on right hand side, so it becomes 5x raised to 4 upon 1 into this term becomes y upon x raised to 5. Now here 5y raised to 4, 5 is remaining, so write down 5y. Sorry, 5 This 5 goes to the denominator, 5x raised to 5. So ये आएगा 5x raised to 5 into आएगा y. So dy by dx is equal to this 5 get cancelled. Okay, x raised to 4 get cancelled. It is remaining y upon x. Now see here, derivative of y raised to 5 is 5y raised to 4. Carry 5 in the numerator. So this 5 goes in the denominator. So there is x raised to 5, 5x raised to 5 goes in the denominator. X raised to 4 get cancelled, 1x is remaining. So it is y upon x. Any difficulty? Without. If anything is with you, WhatsApp or call me. No doubt about it. Okay. Again, we will take one more sum regarding this. Y is equal to cos inverse 7x raised to 4 plus 5y, 7x raised to 4 plus 5y raised to 4, 7x raised to 4 minus 5y raised to 4. Okay, working procedure is same. Now here also I had done one mistake. Right hand side is, left hand side is not y. Take the third sum is equal to tan inverse 60. Okay. Now here also we have to show that dy by dx is y upon x. Now this sum is given. Now first step, shift the cos inverse on right hand side. Cos inverse becomes cos. On right hand side here a is constant, tan inverse a is also constant. So this becomes 7x raised to 4 plus 5y raised to 4 upon 7x raised to 4 minus 5y raised to 4 is equal to cos of tan inverse A. Okay? Exactly. Now same thing you have to do. What is the next step? Use complement and dividend. योग by complement and dividend. What is complement and dividend? In the numerator plus, now this is, see here, a upon b is a plus b upon a minus. Same thing we have to do. This is a upon b. In the numerator plus denominator, in denominator, numerator minus denominator. So this becomes 7x raised to 4 plus 5y raised to 4 plus 7x raised to 4 minus 5y raised to 4. Divided by numerator 7x raised to 4 plus 5y raised to 4 minus 7x raised to 4 minus plus 5y raised to 4. This becomes, denominator is not there, it is 1. Cos of tan inverse A plus 1 upon cos of tan inverse A minus 1. Cos of tan inverse A is constant. Therefore, cos of tan inverse A plus 1 upon cos of tan inverse A minus 1. The whole term is constant. And we denote the whole term is equal to C. Now simplify this here. 5y raised to 4 get cancelled. And in denominator, 7x raised to 4 get cancelled. 7x raised to 4 plus 7x raised to 4, that is 14x raised to 4. In denominator, 5 plus 5, 10y raised to 4 is equal to C. Okay? Now, therefore, C is equal to here cos of tan inverse A plus 1 upon cos of tan inverse A minus 1. Again, this same equation 1. 14x raised to 4 is equal to 10cy raised to 4. Differentiate with respect to x. So it becomes d by dx of 14x raised to 4 is equal to d by dx of 10cy raised to 4. Okay, now we can take constant outside. So this is 14 d by dx of x raised to 4 is equal to 10c d by dx of y raised to 4. And now differentiate x raised to 4 and y raised to 4. Now see, what is the derivative of x raised to 4? 14 outside. Derivative of x raised to 4 is 4x cube by the first formula derivative. 10c constant, take it outside. 10c. Derivative of y raised to 4. Y raised to 4 derivative 4y raised to 3 into derivative of y with respect to x is divided by dx. 14 4s are 56x cube. 10 into 4 40c y cube divided by dx. Now here we have to substitute the value of c. Okay, it becomes 56x cube is equal to 40. C का value है 40x raised to 4 upon 10y raised to 4 into y cube divided by dx by equation 1. Equation 1 से c का value है. Now simplify here is y cube get cancelled. Here 0 get cancelled. Now here 56x cube. 14 4s are 56x raised to 4 upon y into divided by dx. Okay, cross multiplication कीजिए. 56x cube into y upon 56x raised to 4 is equal to divided by dx. Now here x raised to x cube get cancelled. Here x cube remaining. 56 also get cancelled. Therefore, required divided by dx is y upon x. Okay. Any difficulty? You understand? All these three sums, in all these three sums, working procedure is same. In the same manner, we can solve the remaining problems from exercise 1.3, sub question 4. Okay. Now we will continue in the next lecture. Before that, I am telling you, try to subscribe the channel. I hope definitely you will subscribe it, no doubt about it. If you forget, again subscribe. See you.